Hello, welcome to question 33. Still the continuation of Gambia General Mathematics 2025 question paper. The length of a piece of stick is 1.75 meters and the girl measured it to be 1.80 meters. We have to find the percentage error. To find percentage error, we need to know the error that has been incurred or the absolute error. We can do it absolute error or just the error that has been incurred divided by, let me bring it down, the error divided by the actual length expressed as what? A percentage. So what is the error? It could be absolute error, meaning we don't care which number we subtract, but we can also make just the error, meaning this is what the person measured 1.80 instead of 1.75 divided by what? The actual measurement, the length of the piece of stick is this. This is what you have of 1.75, then expressed as what? A percentage. So what do we do? In the case of this, we can just put all in the calculator. Let's just do that. Since it's section A, 1.8 minus 1.75. Okay, if we divide all, multiply by 100, you still have 20 divided by 7%. I'm leaving it in the form that the options are presented. So if we check, our answer is going to be the C.